ozone O3 is found in the upper layers of the atmosphere. Unlike oxygen, though it is also made up of oxygen atoms, it is a very poisonous gas. Due to ultraviolet rays, oxygen molecule combines with oxygen atom and forms ozone. Oxygen atom comes from the decomposition of oxygen molecule. Now this ozone layer is very poisonous, and the whole earth had a small area which had no ozone. But slowly it is increasing. This is called that umbrella of the ozone is getting torn, or there is a hole in the ozone umbrella. And why is it so? Because of the emission of chlorofluorocarbons, which are produced from refrigerators and ACs. These chlorofluorocarbons are depleting ozone layer. So what? Where is the fire? Why are we so worried? Because the ozone layer is able to filter ultraviolet radiations. These ultraviolet radiations, if they enter the atmosphere, then they can penetrate the living body skin and can cause skin cancer. So that is why now we are very particular and we are trying to maintain the ozone layer so that we are protected from the ultraviolet rays. So the source of depletion of ozone is chlorofluorocarbons. So shall we stop using ACs? Probably you will not like the idea, but at least there can be a judicious use. You can switch off when not in use. You can share so that less emission of chlorofluorocarbons.